Did I hear somebody say chocolate cake? I thought I did. Let's make one. Okay, we're going to do it the easy way. These are the ingredients that I used. We have a devil's food cake. Use what chocolate cake you like. And a brownie mix. Yes, brownie mix. You're also going to need some instant chocolate pudding, oil, eggs, and for your liquid, you can use milk or water if you want. But for me, I'm using white chocolate mocha coffee creamer. Okay, y'all, so this is very, very simple. Anybody can do it. All you do is get you a large mixing bowl and put all of your ingredients in it, okay? Which is what you see me doing here. Now, I thought my bowl was big, but it wasn't big enough. As you can see, it is filling up fast, right? Now, I wanted to use this clear bowl so y'all could see what I was doing. But as I kept adding ingredients, I realized I did need a larger bowl. So I'm going to switch my bowl, okay? Anyway, while you're here watching me doing this, can y'all please take a moment and subscribe to the channel, as that does help us grow. We would greatly appreciate it, okay? Now, back to this goodness over here. I wanted to let you guys know that I used a chocolate cake mix and a brownie mix because the brownie mix makes the cake more chocolatey and more fudgy, and it comes out really, really well, okay? Now, as y'all see, I done transferred it on into a bigger bowl. I went on and did it, y'all, okay? So I used my hand mixer. Now, you can use a hand mixer. You can even use a stand mixer if you want to. If you want to use the flick of the wrist, you can do that too and whisk it all together. I'm just not about that life, so hand mixer it is, right? Now, you want to mix it just until the ingredients are well incorporated. Don't overbeat your batter because you want it moist and you want it soft, okay? So once that is done, I put it into a bundt pan. That's what I cook mine in. And I sprayed my bundt pan with Baker's Joy, okay? It works well for me. My cakes always release, so I stick with that. Now, my oven is preheated to 340 degrees, all right? That is my sweet spot for when I'm using a cake mix. So I baked this cake for approximately 53 minutes. Now, depending on your oven, you may bake yours for 50 minutes to an hour. So you want to check it at least at about the, I would say, 45-minute mark, okay? Just so you'll know how much longer your cake may need, all right? But that's it, you guys. Once you take your cake out of the oven, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, and then go ahead and transfer it to whatever you're going to store your cake in. All right, so for the frosting, I simply used a store-bought frosting. It's the rich and creamy milk chocolate frosting. I put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to melt it, gave it a good stir, and I just poured it right on top of the cake. It was just that simple, y'all. Easy peasy. I let the cake sit probably about another 15-20 minutes before we cut into it. And y'all, let me tell you, it was the bomb. It was good. And so this is a real quick dessert. It's good, it's chocolatey, it's decadent, and it's delicious. So I hope y'all give it a try, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. I love you big, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we're gonna catch y'all later, all right? See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.